I came out on the arm of a Marine, and the audience came apart because the line that I came out on was to boldly go where no woman or man has gone before. This entire Trinity Center stood up, Performing Arts Center stood up, screamed, hallelujah. I couldn't hear the 35-piece symphony orchestra with my cue to go into Jean's lyrics of the song. So I just went, what I did was I waited and went, and they went, and I just went to,
Yeah.